Hey man, so just quickly to show you how to do this if you didn't already know. So you can just jump into Chargify. Up here you can toggle through our AUD and our USD. So obviously majority of clients are in the AU. So Travis is obviously in the States. So what you do is just jump into your subscriptions. You'll see that his is here and it should be on hold. So what we do is just open up his one. It's obviously on hold. He's already been charged one $500 billing. So we'll just go resume. And then once I resume, that'll charge it straight away. Subscription placed on hold. So subscription state will be set to active and it will be charged straight away. So once I do that, it'll resume, make sure the charge goes through, leave it for maybe an hour just to make sure it goes through, and then you just jump in and put it on hold again. So that's how you do it for in the future if there's any more that need to come through. Cheers.